looks amazing.
And the winner is...
Yes, you did it. Incredible.
Welcome to the greatest kitchen in the world. Feast your eyes on this masterpiece.
I'm gonna be a chef, Mom. Watch me. You are gonna be a wonderful chef, sweetheart. Let's start with this.
Look at you, little chef. Keep stirring. Meow. Meow, meow.
Nice hat, buddy. Looking good. Meow. Thank you. I made it myself. Time for a little adventure. Here's that recipe book I've been wanting to see. Ah, yes. Upside down cooking. It all makes sense now. I've got this.
I got them.
Ooh. More eggs, more yum. I'll take them all. All right, time to cook. Whoops. Oh no, this is a disaster. Time for baking. Look at that go. Wow, look at this cloud. Ta-da! Time to add some sugar, ketchup, bananas, and a bit of dried fish. And finally, some tasty cat food. It's perfect. Time to make some magic happen. This recipe is going to be perfect.
Woohoo! Go, go, go!
Time to bake.
Whoa!
Achoo!
Wow, Mono, look at this.
Meow.
You're really getting good at this. Purr, mow. Oops, watch your step, Dad. Whoa, ha ha ha, perfect timing.
Mono! Look, Mom, I did it! No! Mono, what have you done? Ta-da! Look at this mess. No, just look at it, right? Isn't it amazing?
Oh, this is going so well! Whoa, whoa, ah, what? No, my batter! Oh no, it's everywhere.
Meow. Row? Meow.
This is looking spotless. Whoa, what the? Oh, come on. Sigh.
Wow, a vacuum cleaner. Let's get this kitchen sparkling. All done, so clean. Good job, me.
Oh no, not the cloth. And the spoon? My pot hat. No, please, not my pot hat. Oh, the horror.
No, my hat, not my pot! Ah, it's too strong. Help! No! Got it! Whoa! That was close.
Aha, I know just what to make.
Almost done. Perfect.
Ta-da! Oh, Mono, you've outdone yourself. It looks amazing, Mono.
And now, the main event. Voila!
You did it! Oh, thank goodness. I knew you could do it.
This is delicious. Yay, I knew it would be. It's perfect.
I cooked it myself.
Look at him, he did such a good job.
Fantastic, Mono. Huh? What's that? I don't know, it's getting bigger.
Wow, what's that? Oh my, that's a lot of batter.
Oh, no.
You got batter on your face.
Ta-da! Ta-da!
English doesn't have to be boring.
Really?
Learn English the fun way.
Laugh more.
Learn faster. Speak naturally.